Hey kids, let's check out this brand new toy tool set. If I can get it open, trying to open it, there we go. All right, let's check out these toy tools. Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club. Let's go. Whoa, look at our collection of power drills. Let's learn colors. Red and black. And now let's see if it works. Cool, Black & Decker toy tool power drill. Whoa, check out that real power drill. What's up next? Wow, check out this one. It's got an extra handle. That's a super strong power drill. Whoa, just pull on that and look at it go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's take a look at our next toy tool in our toy chest. Whoa, look at that power drill. That one's had an electric cord. What's up next? Our Stanley power drill for kids. It's the color yellow. Cool. Look at that one. That one's pretty amazing. And it works too. Give it a try. All of our collection of power drills today. Our cool tool bench for kids. Wow, look at that one. That one is drilling. Power drills, drill. And that one is drilling. Whoa, check out our cool collection of power drill tool toys. Well, that one is the Black & Decker power tool. Oh, check that out. Working together with Dad. That's a cool saw. What do we have next in our toy tool workbench collection? Taking a really cool look at our Stanley power drill. What else do we have in our collection? Whoa, the drill bit comes off. And let's put a new one on.